In this video, I want to talk about how you can design a YouTube thumbnail on Canva for completely free. So to do this, head over to canva.com, log into any account, press create here, and then we want to search for thumbnail. Now what this will do is it will select the correct preset. So this will be the correct size for the YouTube thumbnail. So select this one or press custom size and then type in this one. But once you've selected this, now we have the correct size. So now what we want to do is we want to make the thumbnail. So what I suggest you do is click on design here, and then you want to search for anything that you want. So let's say your channel is about food. So search for food. And in here, there will be a bunch of pre-made thumbnails that you can edit. So let's say you want to make a how to make something. If you select this one, it will pop up like this. Then what you can do is right here, you can put in your food that you want to use. So just delete this and put in your food instead. And then you can change the title, how to make whatever, how to make meatballs, just something random, right? Smaller, do like this here, make it fit like this. And if you want, you can even use other colors. Let's say you want to do a green one. You can do like this. Probably not that one. Something like this. Let's do this. And with the text here, you can add effects if you want. You can add a shadow, all this sort of stuff. And then this is how you can do it. So I suggest using pre-made ones if you don't know how to do it by yourself. And of course, you can delete these. Go to elements and you can add something else. Instead of a spoon, you can search for fork, and you can just go to graphics, see all, and then look for ones that are not in the pro version. So this one is not pro. This one means it's from pro. So what you can do is put this here, make it smaller. You can add a shadow if you want. You can use some other colors if you want, like this. And that's basically how it works. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.